Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr., and I hope to make this an extremely short video for those of you who are having issues on getting onto PayPal.com. And it seems like it's for absolutely no reason whatsoever. So, I don't know why it's doing this, but I will explain how to fix it, or I will show you how to fix it. So that's all we really need to know. How do we fix this? So this is typically the error message that comes up. You go to paypal.com, it says error 403 forbidden, and then it says guru meditation. There might be some other error messages like PayPal error 10002 and PayPal Guru meditation error. So whatever PayPal.com error message is coming up, this is very easily fixable, very easy to fix with your phone or your computer or laptop. So doesn't matter, as long as it's in the web browser, you're good to go. So Chrome, Safari, Opera, Firefox, doesn't matter. Alright, let's get into this. So we are using Chrome right now on an Android. So, but all you have to do is make sure you find where we're going. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our history, which are these three dots up here, the three vertical dots, and we go to history. And we click on clear browsing data. And the best thing to do with this is just have everything checked off. Every single thing checked off. And hit clear data. Like I said, if you have any passwords saved that you know you are going to need in the future, make sure that you have them saved. And you can also see that you can see that in every web browser. You can just go to passwords, find it, and make sure you take a screenshot of it or whatnot. So that's the first thing you do, is you clear everything out. So first you want to see if that works. Well, I didn't just do it, but the first thing you want to do is you want to see, hey, okay, let's see if that worked. And if you hit refresh, or you go to paypal.com and it doesn't work, and you're like, oh, okay, well, nothing's going to work. This is awesome. So now when you are on your cell phone, this is the easiest way to to get rid of this error, and it's stupidly simple. So ready, set, go. So all we're going to do is turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay, LTE. My service kind of sucks here, but that's okay. And from there, I'm gonna hit refresh, and boom, I'm on PayPal.com. That's it. So for the cell phone, it's very easy. I would still recommend clearing out the cache and the cookies and so forth with your web browser, but that way works every single time. Is literally just turning off the Wi-Fi. Now, that might mean that you're having an issue with the router, but not necessarily. But anyway, just in case, if you are somewhat adequate at using working with computers and so forth, I would do a reset on your router and just set it up from the beginning again, just to be safe. So that's just another way to go about it. Just reset the router completely and keep you can keep the password the same, the SSID the same, all that good stuff. But now if you are on your computer, you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to clear out all the data, you're going to clear out the cache, you're going to clear out the cookies, and you're also going to see if you can try and switch the way you're connecting. See if you can switch from connecting, say from your Ethernet, if you're plugged in by an Ethernet cord. Try using a Wi-Fi adapter and see if that works. So that might be an issue. And like I said, the other way also is by just resetting your router and setting it back up. Might take you a total of 15 minutes to do that, but I had to get on PayPal, and I didn't realize that on the cell phone all I had to do was turn off the Wi-Fi, and then I was able to get in perfectly fine. So make sure you do scan your phone. I recommend Komodo with a C, Comodo. So I recommend Komodo and CCleaner. Those two are the tops. And Malwarebytes is another good one. Just to scan your phone, make sure everything's okay. But other than that, I hope this video helped you out big time, because it helped me out, and I didn't even realize that I was doing it until I was able to log in. So, but that's all I have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure you check out some of the shorts that I have below, or on the channel. There's some shorts down there. Make sure you check them out, because they're funny, but they're just stupid little clips that I like to put up. So, all right, everybody, I love you. I'll see you in the next one, whenever the heck that's going to be. Goodbye.